Our experiment is to load the test chamber with the starch, which I have done for you. The second step is to activate the ignition source. In this step, we introduce thousands of volts into 2 electrodes in the test chamber. Please pull lever 1 to activate the ignition source.
Okay. Pull down lever 1. Okay. Waiting. Okay.
Good job. Now the third step is to fill the air tank with compressed air.
I'm gonna put this on.
Please pull lever 2 to start the compressor. Be sure that the pressure indicator reaches the full mark.
Oh gosh. This is too much pressure now.
Just keep it pulled. Waiting. Keep waiting.
Hold it down. Okay, it's ready. It's ready. Okay. I think it does it. Oh, my battery is low.
Let's review what we have done so far. The test chamber has been filled with starch. The ignition source has been introduced into the same airspace as the starch, and enough compressed air has been filled into the air tank.
Don't die on me.
Now, the fourth and final step is to release the compressed air, causing the starch to become airborne and sending it towards the ignition source.
No, wait. You have to wait.
Please press the number 3 red button to witness the explosive results of our experiment.
Go ahead, hon. No, push it, hon.
Wow! What an explosion!